Hello all, in this video I'll show you a new feature in Autodesk Civil 3D 2025, the integration with the Esri map. Okay, so I have an open a drawing here. Let me switch on the coordinates to show you what it was before and the new feature. Okay, go to WGS84, which is my project cat zone, and I will set here 37 north. You can set this coordinate system depends on your project. Okay, this just demo purpose. Apply. Okay, and now go to geolocation, and here first I will open this Bing aerial map, which was before with Autodesk Civil 3D till 2024. Okay, so you can see this is from Bing map, and let's check it out from Esri map. Okay, so this is the new feature, all these items new feature with this Civil 3D 2025 onwards. So for now I will just use Esri imagery. Okay, see how differ this from the Bing map, which is most recent updated one. So this is the difference, Esri and BIM aerial map. So there are many other options like Esri OpenStreetMap and Esri streets. You can play around. Okay, Esri imagery. Okay, thank you for watching this video.